Let's walk through tabletop setup. Take out the small hex wrench. Loosen the 4 side screws. Turn counterclockwise to loosen. Turn clockwise to tighten. After loosening, adjust the base length. 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Once extended, tighten all 4 machine screws. This secures the whetstone platform, keeps it stable on the table. Put the wrench back in the accessory pouch. Now place the sharpening stone. Align the front end with the sharpener body. Tighten the rear knob forward. Secure the whetstone by locking both sides. Check to make sure it's firmly locked. Next, clamp the knife. Clamp at 8 mm depth. Tighten the knob clockwise. Use the digital angle gauge to measure angle. Adjust to around 18 degrees. Spray water with the bottle. Start sharpening. There are 2 sharpening methods. First, circular motion sharpening. Flip the blade. Second, back and forth motion. Flip again. Check for burr formation. Install the strop holder. Stropping only works in one direction. Stropping removes the burr from the edge. Expose the cutting edge. Remove the knife. Test for sharpness. Clean paper slicing.